All right, hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So here at the Big Deck store, we have all different kinds of composites, so we have something to fit everybody's budget and everybody's style. So definitely come on in, check it out what we have. We carry the Envision collection by Tamco. We have the Duralife collection. We have the Armadillo collection and the Green Bay decking collection. We also carry aluminum, which is fantastic if you want something a little bit unique. And this is our brand new product. This is our Cali decking out of California. It's a bamboo decking, so it's made out of bamboo and recycled material. There's no wood filler in it. Very environmentally friendly. And what I love about this product is it actually comes in the new wide plank. So you can actually create a nice design to your decking by mixing up your wide planks and your traditional planks and getting a really unique look for your outdoor space.